The rain had been falling for hours when the moment happened that would quietly rewrite the life of a man who had stopped expecting anything good. Inside a small, run-down auto shop on the outskirts of Cleveland, Ohio, a poor mechanic named Aaron Wells wiped grease from his hands and stared at the nearly empty register that never seemed to fill no matter how many late nights he worked. His stomach churned with the familiar mix of fear and exhaustion as he realized he didn't even have enough money for groceries that week. He had no family left, no savings, and no future he could see. He was just a man trying to survive one day at a time. But everything changed the moment a tiny pink bicycle, carried by a trembling little girl, appeared at the entrance of his shop. What he didn't know was that this simple moment, this tiny bike, would set in motion the biggest turning point of his life. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and unexpected miracles, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps stories like this reach more hearts. Aaron heard the soft footsteps before he even turned, and when he looked up, he saw a little girl around 8 years old, light-skinned, with strawberry blonde hair tied in a loose ponytail and wearing a faded blue raincoat. Her hands gripped the handlebars of her bike tightly as if she feared at any moment she might be scolded for coming in. She wasn't accompanied by anyone, and despite the rain, she looked determined to stand there until someone noticed her. Aaron's heart softened immediately. He had always been the kind of man who cared too much, something life had punished him for repeatedly. The girl finally whispered that her bike chain had snapped and she didn't know who else to ask. Her mother, she explained, was working 2 jobs, and they didn't have money for repairs. Aaron didn't ask more questions. He simply picked up the bike, placed it on the work stand, and started fixing it for free. As he worked, he noticed the girl watching him with wide, curious eyes, as though amazed that anyone would help her without expecting something in return. The shop was quiet except for the soft clinking of tools and the girl's occasional sniffle as she wiped rainwater from her cheeks. To Aaron, fixing a bike was nothing, but to her, he could tell it was everything. When he finished, he cleaned the bike, tightened the brakes, oiled the chain, and even pumped the tires. The girl gasped softly when she saw how new it looked. She thanked him with a sincerity that tugged at the edges of his chest in a way he hadn't felt in years. She introduced herself as Mia and said she wished she could pay him, but Aaron shook his head gently and assured her it was okay. She smiled so brightly that for a brief moment, the shop didn't feel so empty anymore. He didn't expect to ever see her again. But the next morning, when Aaron stepped out to open the shop, he found a small brown paper bag and a handwritten note taped to the door. Inside the bag was a sandwich, an apple, and a cookie wrapped in a napkin. The note said she wanted to thank him for being kind when he didn't have to be. As simple as it was, Aaron felt emotion climb into his throat and settle heavily there. No one had left him anything in years. No one had thought of him. It had been so long since he felt seen, valued, or appreciated that the note felt like a gift far bigger than the food inside the bag. Over the next week, Mia stopped by after school just to say hello. She would sit on an overturned crate and ask questions about engines, tools, and how machines worked. She had an infectious curiosity and a way of bringing light into even the darkest days. Aaron began to look forward to her visits, even rearranging his schedule so he could take his lunch break when she stopped by. She told him about her mother, Rachel, who worked at a diner and struggled to keep up with bills. Despite their challenges, Mia spoke about her life with hope, not bitterness. Her warmth reminded Aaron of the life he used to dream of but never managed to build. One afternoon, Mia didn't show up. Aaron glanced at the clock every few minutes, feeling a strange sense of worry he hadn't felt in years. When he finally closed the shop for the night, he found Rachel standing outside holding Mia's bike. Rachel, in her mid-30s with chestnut brown hair tied back and exhaustion visible on her face, explained that she wanted to thank him personally. She said Mia talked about him constantly, about how kind he was, how he fixed things without expecting anything, how he made her feel safe. Rachel admitted she hadn't been able to thank him because she worked non-stop, juggling every bill and every worry on her own. She told him the bike had meant more to Mia than he realized. It gave her freedom, confidence, and a sense of joy she hadn't felt in months. Aaron felt something shift inside him. For the first time in a long while, someone was thanking him not for what he could fix, but for the good he unknowingly brought into their lives. Rachel asked if she could pay him in homemade meals instead of money, and though he tried to refuse, she insisted. Soon, Aaron found himself sharing dinners with Mia and Rachel, sitting at a small kitchen table in their modest apartment, laughing, talking, and realizing that the loneliness he had once accepted as normal was slowly fading. The walls he had built around himself were beginning to crack open, and through those cracks came warmth he hadn't dared hope for. Weeks turned into months, and the bond between them grew naturally. Aaron became a steady presence in Mia's life, helping her with school projects, teaching her simple mechanical tricks, and encouraging her curiosity. Rachel found comfort in Aaron's reliability and gentle nature. She would often tell him she didn't know how she survived before meeting him. Aaron, in turn, found purpose, connection, and love, things he thought were forever out of reach. The man who once had nothing to look forward to suddenly had people who needed him, cared for him, and believed in him. If this story has touched your heart so far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to support more emotional stories like this. Your engagement truly matters. As Christmas approached, Mia surprised Aaron with a gift, a small handmade ornament shaped like a pink bicycle. She told him it was to remind him that sometimes the smallest acts of kindness create the biggest miracles. Aaron held the ornament tightly, realizing she was right. A free bike repair had given him a family, a home, and a reason to believe again. Rachel hugged him that night, whispering that meeting him had changed everything for them too. Before the ending, please comment below, kindness creates miracles. Aaron placed the ornament on Rachel's small Christmas tree, feeling a peace he had long forgotten. And as he looked at Mia and Rachel sitting on the couch together, smiling at him with warmth and gratitude, he finally understood that sometimes the greatest blessings arrive quietly, disguised as small moments of kindness that end up reshaping an entire life. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more emotional stories.